After 3 days of emotional testimony, closing arguments will be presented today in the Quentin Smith trial. The fate of the man accused of killing 2 Westerville police officers could be in the jury's hands very soon. Our Hattie Hawks is outside the Franklin County Courthouse with more on this high-profile trial. Hattie.
And Matt, it's been an emotional few days hearing that testimony. Today, those closing statements will be heard around noon at the Franklin County Courthouse. Yesterday, we heard that final testimony, including the defendant's wife, Quentin Smith. Quentin Smith, accused of killing Westerville police officers Anthony Morelli and Eric During in February of 2018. Jurors heard from Smith's wife, who describes the couple's abusive relationship and what led her to call 911 that day. She said her husband put 2 handguns in the cushion of the sofa just before opening the door when police got there. She testified hearing an officer say, "Don't do it, don't do it," and then heard the gunfire. Under cross-examination, Quentin Smith also testified her husband suffered from schizoaffective disorder and PTSD, and that he had not been taking his medications. At the end of testimony, the judge said no more witnesses are scheduled for the prosecution or the defense. We know that Quentin Smith does face the death penalty if he is convicted, and after that closing statement being given around noon today, that's when the case goes over to the jury. So we will have much more on this throughout the day. Local for you at the Franklin County Courthouse, Hattie Hawks, NBC4.
Hattie, thank you. NBC4 will live stream today's trial on our website, NBC4i.com, and on our news app. Of course, that app is free in the App Store.